Blair, and this is Baking with Blair. And we're making pink sugar cookies in my new Easy Bake Oven. If you have long hair, you're probably gonna wanna pull up your hair like me because I have very long hair. I already turned my Easy Bake Oven on, but you have to turn it on for 20 minutes and then turn the lid switch on to on. The first thing that you have to pour it, I already poured it in, but it's pink sugar cookie mix, and you pour it in a bowl. 1 teaspoon. Now we gotta stir it. I usually pour 1 more in it just to get it so it's kind of wet and it can go easier. I'm adding an extra teaspoon to mine. Then I'm gonna mix it up. So now it's turning into batter. Smells really good. But you gotta get your hands and you gotta mold it together. Your hands are gonna get messy because it's pretty sticky. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick because it's really messy and I have to put my hands in flour. I'm just gonna get a little bit of flour and kind of sprinkle it on my hands. You wanna do it somewhere that it's fine to get messy, but make sure to clean it up because I have to clean mine up. My dough's kind of sticky because I added a little bit more water. The good thing is, some bakers, when they're listening to their thing and their batter is too sticky, they can add a little tiny bit of flour because it's cookies onto it, and that makes it kind of mold. So I'm gonna do a little bit of flour. And then you can mold it, and look how easy that is. It's really easy. And then you can get all your dough. It says mold into 12 balls. So, I'm gonna quickly grab my tray. If you get an Easy Bake Oven, it's gonna come with a little tray. You don't have to buy it anywhere. Now you gotta shape it into 12 balls. Then you got to flatten each one out. All right, time to put it in the Easy Bake Oven for 9 minutes.
9 minutes. Starting now.
It will come with this tool, so you press it in a little bit, and then you take this, the spatula kind of goes to the end, and this side comes right there, and you push it in. There is gonna be a little tiny door, and that's the oven. So you gotta make sure it's closed on each side. It's easier on both sides, so now it's gonna start baking. And now we just have to make the frosting.
Blair, you have flour on your nose. You got it.
Is it gone?
Yeah.
The dirty bowl that you used your batter in, you gotta put to the side, and you gotta get a new bowl. Put the flour to the side. We don't need that. We're putting in some lemon flavoring mix into this bowl. Shake it so all the frosting's going to the bottom. Then you can cut it. I got a water cup and I got my half a teaspoon. Just have to fill that up. Dump it in. Then you gotta mix it up. It's lemon flavored. Gonna put a little bit more water so it's kind of runny so I can mix it up. Smells like lemon. Icing's done. When you're done with your dough or you're waiting for it, you probably want to clean up your mess just so it's clean. So my cookies are done, but I pushed them out, but they have to wait in the cooling area. That's like right next to the oven. So after they're done in the cooling area, after a couple minutes, we can take them out, we can frost them, we can do the big finale and everything like that. So we just have to wait for a little bit, but that's why I cleaned up. But they only have to take a little bit. They don't take too long. So this is the oven, and right here's the cooling rack. It's a little bit of ways from to take them out. But after they're done in the oven, they'll go to the cooling rack that goes out, that gets frosted, and we do the big finale. Cookies are done. Now that the cookies are done, it's time to frost them. Little bit of icing. One little cookie. One cookie. I made my cookies. Now my favorite part. I get to taste one. I can taste this. They're really good. Real good. I highly recommend you make this recipe and you're easy to do. And that's Baking with Blair. Bye!